Hello people of the planet. Today I'm going to be talking about density and its wonders by showing you a lab I did in science called Red Water Lab. Think of the density of both the room temperature water and the flaming hot water. Here is a drawing of when we first put the small beaker in the big beaker with crucible tongs. As you can see, the red water is immediately starting to flow through the water, even when you first put it in. Since hot water is less dense than room temperature water, the red water will first move to the top. The beaker was placed inside the big beaker. We see the immediate red water going up instead of down. After a few seconds when the small beaker was placed, the temperature of the small beaker starts to cool down and becomes room temperature water. Once it is room temperature water, the red dye starts to come down slowly. Finally, here we have a drawing where the hot red water is already mixed in and leveled with the room temperature water. As you can notice, the darker red water is at the top because it is hot water. Based on fact, hot water is less dense than cold or room temperature water and seems to rise when above cold water, causing it to make layers. In this lesson, you have learned two things. 1. Temperature can massively affect a liquid's level of density, and 2. The hotter the liquid, the less dense it is. I hope you have learned things about density you never knew about. Thank you for listening.